Hi and welcome. In this video, you are going to learn how to create and apply functions to numpy arrays in Python. First, we need to import the numpy library like this. Then, we will create an array which is a 3x3 matrix using the function array from the numpy library. Now, let's create a simple function that multiplies elements by 5, and then subtracts 3. Lambda function is a good choice here, and we do it like this. We can apply this function to the above array, simply like this. We write the name of the function, which is my underscore function. Then, we pass the data inside the parenthesis. As you see in the output, the function was applied element-wise, which means that every element in the original array was multiplied by 5 and then 3 was subtracted. We can also apply the function only to a specific row or a specific column. For example, to apply this function to the second column only, we write this code. As you see, the function was applied to the second column only. Another simple method to apply a function to a numpy array is to use the mathematical expression directly on the array without the need to create a function. Here is how we can do it. Then, we run the cell. As you see, the same results were obtained. This simple method can also be applied to a part of the data. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to create and apply functions to numpy arrays in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.